got the 2012 Z920A right here. It's got about 175 hours. Hi guys, here, what do you want to give for the mower? You tell me somebody get 5,000 to get on. I'm gonna get 5,000, I'm gonna get 5,000, I'm gonna get 5,000, I'm gonna get 5,000, I'm gonna get 5,000. Who give me 3,000 to start it? Let's go. What do you get 3? 3 down, I'm gonna get 3. I'm gonna get 3. Spring's just around the corner. It's a 45. Now 5,000. 5,000, now 55, to get 5,500, to get 55, to get 5,500, to get 55. Thank you, new bidder. Now 6,000, 65, 65, to get 65, to get 65. Now 7,000, you're out, sir. 7,000, anybody else want to hear 7,000 all down around the board, hands in the air, anybody get 7,000? Just in time, 75, thank you. Now 8,000, Tucker, get him back in. Spring is coming, he knows it, 8,500. What do you give 8,500, to give 85, to give 85, all down around the board, to give 8,500?
82.50.
Never thought of that. 8 and a quarter, now 85, 8,500, 85, 8,750, 8,750, what do you give 8,750, what do you give 8,750? 8,750, are you sure? 8,750? You want in? Did you want in or are you done?
No, I'm done.
You're done, that's what I thought. Sold it your way, Tucker, for 8,500.
42.
Fire 42. All right, next up, lot 12. We got the 2003 X85. 730 hours on it. Looks pretty good for that many hours of mowing, guys. Hey, right, this little garden tractor right here. What do you want to give right here? So I want to get 3,000 to get on. What about 3 down? I'm going to get 3. I'm going to get 3 down. 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 I'm going to get 3. 3,000. What do you get 3? You got 2 to start it. So I'm going to get 2. 2 and get on. I got 2 back there now. 2,500. To get 25, 25. 3 down. Down to 3. 35. Yeah, 35. Now 4,000. I'm going to get 4. 4,000. You guys are out. 45. He's in at 4,000. Get 45. 5,000, Larry. Now 55. 5,500 to get 55. To get 55. To get 5,500. 5,500 to get 55. To get 55. The rest of you can bid too. Get 5,500. I'm at 5,000. Get 5,500. I just thought of something. 52.5. 5,000 a quarter. Now 55. 55. 5,750. What do you get 750? What do you get 750? What do you get 750? 5,750. 5,750. What do you get 750? 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 Yes or yes? What do you get 750? Bye, thank you. 6,000, 62.5, 62.50, 62.50, 6 and a quarter, 62.50, we get 62.50, are y'all in? Down, sir, we get 62.50 all down around the board, here we go, 62.50, are you sure? We get 62.50, sold them out, $6,000, number, what is that, 126, 126. Okay, last up, lot number 20, 2011, John Deere 3720. Tractor with the 300CX loader on it, guys. Talk about a sweet little unit. Sweet little unit. I kid you not, I had more calls on this than anything else in this auction. Hey, right there, you tell me, what do you want to give? Give 30,000 and get on. I got 26, now give 30. 30,000, I'm going to get 30. 30,000, I'm going to get 30. I'm going to get 30, I'm going to get 30. I got 26, give 30,000. 30,000, I'm going to get 30, we get 30, we get 30, we get 30, we get 30, 30, 30, I got 27, now 28. 28, what do you get 28? What do you get 28? 27,000 the bid. Get 28. 28,000, but get 28, but get 28, but at 28, you're out, internet, get 28. 28,000, but get 28, but get 28, but get 28. 28,000, 28,000, then but I get 28, but get 28, but get 28, but get 28. 28,000, 28, 28, 28 now, 29, 29, 29,000, 29,000, what do I get 29? I got that gentleman at 28,000, need 29 to get in. 29,000, I'm going to get 29, I'm going to get 29,000, 29, I'm going to get, hate to take so long, I had a lot of calls on this tractor, 29,000, I got 28, actually I went down to the dealer friend of mine over there, it's the price one, if you had to buy a new one like this, you're talking 45,000 equipped this way right here. I got 28, get 29,000, 29, we get 29, but I get 29, but I get 29, but I get 29, down anybody else want here, 29,000, 29, when I get 29, all in and all down, anybody else hands in here. 29,000, then I get 29. Go to the bank, please, and I'm going to get 29 all down around the board to get 29,000. Sold it for 28,000. Whose number? 153. 153.